Next, we have data types. So the first one is the integer, which is just any number, and you're going to notice it being written in blue. Then we have strings, which, as I showed you earlier, is just any text inside quotation marks. Then we have booleans, which is just a simple true or false. So as you can see, we can just type in false here or true here, and that's all that it is. It just says true or false. And the final one you should know for getting started is list, which all you have to do is create a pair of angle brackets and insert the values you want inside here. And it can be a mixture between numbers, booleans, and so on. But for this example, we'll just keep it simple and write a few strings. Then if we go ahead and print these, you're going to notice that we will get 2021, text, false, and the list. But let's move on to an example that we want to print these values combined. So let's say name is Mario, the string number is going to equal 22. So you're going to notice 2021 is a blue number and this one is green because this is considered text while this is considered an integer. So what we need to do is actually convert them into the correct types before combining them. So to do that, we can just go ahead and type in print name plus the string value of integer. So it's going to convert the integer to a string so that we can combine these two texts together. If we remove that and only write integer, you're going to notice we are going to get an exception that says we cannot do that. And the same thing goes for the string number. Pretend we want to add the value of 10 to the string number. The editor will be nice enough to tell you you shouldn't do that. And we should just put some parentheses there and type in int ahead of that so we can convert it to an integer and add it easily. Next, let's move on to math. So we will create two variables. One will be 10 and one will be 5. And to do math in Python, it's very self-explanatory. As you can see, to do addition, you just need to add a plus symbol. For the difference, you just add a minus symbol. To multiply, you add an asterisk. To divide, you add a slash. And if you want the exponential power, just add 2 asterisks. And you'll notice that if we print all of these, you're going to get a very quick calculator. So of course, 10 plus 5 is 15, a minus b is going to be 5, and so on. You will get the values that correspond to those operators.